Are you juggling multiple tools just to manage your agency? One for projects, another for invoices, a third for client communication? And somehow you're still chasing approvals and payments. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and honestly, it's holding your business back. That's where Agency Handy comes in. It's an all-in-one platform that lets you manage clients, projects, tasks, and payments all in one place. Think of it as a branded agency hub where everything runs smoothly from onboarding to invoicing without bouncing between apps. First, the client portal. You can fully brand it with your agency's logo and domain. Clients log in, see their projects, leave feedback, approve work, and even pay invoices. All in one spot. No messy emails, no lost files, just a clean, professional experience your clients will love. Next, project management. Break projects into tasks, assign them to your team, set due dates, and track progress with Kanban boards. Clients can give feedback and approve tasks directly in the portal, so nothing falls through the cracks. It keeps your team organized and your clients happy at the same time. Agency Handy also handles invoicing and payments seamlessly. Send invoices directly from the platform, accept payments through multiple gateways, and even create proposals that automatically translate into internal tasks once approved. Less admin work, faster payments, and more time to focus on growing your agency. Collaboration is easy too. Internal team chats, client messages, and notes all live inside the platform. Everyone stays on the same page and you don't have to hunt through emails or different apps. It's all centralized, organized, and accessible from one dashboard. Here's the kicker. AppSumo offers Agency Handy as a lifetime deal starting at $69. Compare that to monthly subscriptions from other tools. You'd pay hundreds, even thousands over time. This one-time payment gives you access to all core features, unlimited clients, and updates for life. It's a smart way to streamline your agency without breaking the bank. Users are loving it. Agency Handy holds a 4.9 out of 5 on G2 and nearly 4.5 stars on AppSumo. Agencies say it's easy to use, highly professional, and far more efficient than juggling Dubsado, Moxie, or spreadsheets. So if you run an agency or small business and want to simplify client management, Agency Handy is worth checking out. Grab the lifetime deal on AppSumo while it's still available. The link's in the description below. Your clients, your team, and your sanity will thank you.